Hello students, we are doing Unit 11, that is fractions, and till now we have learned that how to write the fractions in words, and we have also done worksheet number 1. And now today we will learn a new topic, that is fractions, numerator and denominator. So you can see here in the picture, look at me. I have two numbers. You can see here 2 upon 3. The top number says how many equal parts are shaded. So you know when we write the fraction, the upper part tells us about the number of parts shaded. And this is called the numerator. This is called numerator. So you have to learn this new word, numerator and denominator. And here the bottom number says in how many equal parts a figure or collection is divided. That is the total number of parts. And this is called the denominator. So the upper number is called numerator and the lower number is called denominator. So learn these two new words, numerator and denominator, right? So fractions के two parts होते हैं, upper part and lower part. Upper part, that means upper number को numerator बोलेंगे and lower number को आप denominator बोलेंगे. So now we have worksheet based on this only, numerator and denominator. So let us start with worksheet number 2. Here we have to write the numerator of the following fractions. So what is numerators? Numerators. What is numerator? Numerator is the upper number, right? The number which is on the top. So here जो ऊपर वाला नंबर होता है इसे हम बोलते हैं न्यूमरेटर और नीचे वाले नंबर को क्या बोलते हैं हम denominator, as just we have discussed. So in this question we have to write only numerators. Write the numerators of the following fractions. So out of these two numbers, which one is numerator? Upper number. So the numerator here is 2. Similarly, 1 upon 9. So the numerator is the upper number, that is 1. Similarly here 13 upon 15. What is the numerator? That is 13. So numerator हमारा क्या होता है? Upper number. Here 4 upon 6. The numerator is 4. And this 7 upon 15. Numerator is 7. Here 6 upon 10, numerator is 6. Very easy. Next question, write the denominators. What we have to write is denominators of the following fractions. So here we have to write the denominators. So we can easily write the denominator. The first one is 2 upon 3. Here the upper number is called numerator, but here we have to write the denominator. So denominator, lower number is our denominator. So here 3 is the denominator. So read the question carefully, whether we have to write the numerator or denominator. So here we have to write the denominator. So write only denominator. 1 upon 9. So the denominator is 9. 17 upon 15. So what is denominator here? 15. Because जो lower number होता है वो हमारा denominator होता है. 4 upon 6. So lower number 6. This is denominator. 7 upon 15. Again 15 is the denominator, lower number. 6 upon 10. 10 is the denominator. So very easy. Upper number is numerator, lower is denominator. Now question number 3, write the fractions for the following. आपको क्या करना है, fractions लिखने हैं. The first one is done for you. Here the numerator and the denominator are given and you have to write the fractions. ऊपर वाले questions में हमें fraction given था and we have to write the numerator or denominator. But in this question, numerator and denominator are given. So here numerator is 2 and denominator is 7. So you know that numerator is the upper number, so we have to write it on the top, and denominator is the lower number, so we have to write it at the bottom. So 2 upon 7. Next one, numerator is 5 and denominator is equal to 9. So we have to write the fraction. So numerator will come on the top, so 5 upon, and denominator is 9, so we have to write it at the bottom, 5 upon 9. Similarly, next one, numerator is 3 and denominator is 13. So numerator we have to write on the top 3 and denominator we have to write at the bottom 13. Next, denominator is 14 and numerator is 8. Now most of the students makes the mistake in this type of questions. एग्जाम में भी इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में स्टूडेंट्स मिस्टेक कर देते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज जनरली उनके माइंड में क्या होता है कि न्यूमरेटर पहले लिखा होगा एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाद में. बट लुक दिस क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. इन दिस क्वेश्चन डिनोमिनेटर इज गिवन फर्स्ट एंड देन द न्यूमरेटर. सो आपने ध्यान से देखना है. एंड डिनोमिनेटर यू नो दैट वी हैव टू राइट इट एट द बॉटम एंड न्यूमरेटर टॉप में आएगा. सो आपने वैसे ही लिखना है जैसा आपको गिवन है. डिनोमिनेटर इज 14, सो वी हैव टू राइट इट हेयर 14. डिनोमिनेटर नीचे वाले नंबर को बोलते हैं. सो डिनोमिनेटर इज 14 एंड न्यूमरेटर इज 8, सो वी हैव टू राइट इट लाइक दिस. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, 14 अपॉन 8 लिख देंगे. सो रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली फर्स्ट. So the answer is 8 upon 14. 8 is numerator and 14 is denominator, you can see here. Similarly in E part also, here the denominator is 8. Denominator is 8. So that means we have to write 8 at the bottom. And numerator is 3. So what is the fraction? Fraction is 3 upon 8, right? So this is all about the numerator and denominator and how we can write the fractions when the numerator and denominators are given. Now in next video we will learn how to compare the fractions and write them in ascending or descending order. Thank you.